Welcome back. This is your one and only J Food English and Life. It is always a pleasure to have you joining me. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about two words, two adjectives that you can use in your everyday English. Number one, inexpressible. 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 All right. Now, this word comes from expressible. So this word inexpressible is the opposite of expressible. To express simply means to show. Inexpressible means cannot be shown or cannot be described. Think about the feelings that you know. Think about feelings that you know. Anger, joy, happiness, love, sadness. All these, hatred, all these are feelings. And you can use this word to show that it is in extreme. If somebody's too angry, you can use this word to show that it is in extreme. And you can use it in this way. The boy has an inexpressible love for his dog. The boy has an inexpressible love for his dog. It means he loves his dog so much that you cannot even describe it. Or you could say, John was filled with inexpressible joy when he met his father after 5 years. Woo! It means John was extremely happy. He was extremely joyful. He was filled with joy. And this joy is just not describable. You cannot describe the feeling John had. John was filled with inexpressible joy when he met his father after 5 years. Woo! Inexpressible joy. It was too much joy. It was overwhelming joy. He was filled with overwhelming joy everywhere. There was joy overflowing at him. Woo! He was so happy. So John was filled with inexpressible joy when he saw his father, when he met his father after 5 years. The second one is inextricable. Pretty close in pronunciation. Pretty close. Inexpressible, inextricable. Ooh, inextricable. Inextricable. Inextricable simply means it cannot be separated or it cannot be escaped from. For example, there is an inextricable bond between twins. Twins. You know, twins. It means twins cannot be easily separated or they cannot escape the love of each other or the bond they share. It is solid. A solid bond between twins that you cannot break it. Another example, the love between a mom and her baby is inextricable. The love between a mom and her baby is inextricable. The baby cannot escape the mother's love. The mother cannot escape the baby's love. There is that love. There's that love. You cannot easily separate a mom from her baby. There's that love that is so intact that you cannot break it easily. Whew. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you feel this video was for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to smash that bell for more and more videos like this. Hearts always.